Hi, I'm Joe with the Bath and Kitchen Gallery. I just want to give you a little insight of what's involved with our stress-free remodeling. When we take on a kitchen or a bath remodel, it's about more than just the design and the finishes. We're also designing the plumbing, electrical, and all the critical work behind the walls that makes your space function the way it should. That's exactly why we brought both sides of the work under one roof. By owning both the Bath and Kitchen Gallery and Titan Plumbing and Electric, we're able to manage the entire process in-house from design, demolition, rough-ins, and the finer fixture installation. Our teams work together every day, which means fewer delays, tighter coordination, better communication, and the kind of craftsmanship that only comes from people that take pride in every phase of the job. Whether it's a full kitchen remodel or a bathroom refresh, it's one team with one standard, and I personally stand behind all of it. Proudly serving Tampa Bay yesterday, today, and for generations to come.